Ellie's almost 6 months old and now starting to feed herself.
Monkey, look.
Oh yeah, there you good girl. Oh, cauliflowers. Nummies. Put it in your mouthies. Put in your mouth. Oh, good girl. Oh, good try, sweetie.
This one.
Yeah, there you go. Can you get it in there? Oh, it's pretty tough, isn't it, sweetheart? You can do it. You can do it. Mommy, I had that cauliflower. I had it. Yeah, use that hand. You're probably good with your right. Maybe you're going to be a little lefty. Oh, almost got it. Mommy, I really want to eat it. I'm just having troubles.
Here, Mommy, I'll help. Here. Here.
I don't think broccoli's my favorite. I like cauliflower, though.
Choo choo choo. Choo choo choo. Choo 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 choo.
I know, your mommy's funny, isn't she? Is your mommy funny?
Chew. Chew.
It's right there, mommy. I'm gonna save it. Now get your finger out of there, monk. That's a big piece too, mommy. Oh yeah. Look at me, I'm a big girl. Yeah, you're a big girl, aren't you? Yeah, Ellie's a big girl. You know how to eat big people food. Yeah, you dropped your broccolis. There you go. Yeah, you're a big girl, right? I'm really working this piece over, mommy, but I'm having troubles, let me tell you. Yeah, you like it, don't you? You like it. You're trying. Mommy, I'm still working it. Like, she's chewing it. But it's still in there. Yeah, you're a good girl. She's like, I'm on TV too, I know it. You know it, don't you? You know you're on TV, don't you? I know. Yeah. Yeah, is it nummies? Do you want some Waddy? Want to have some Waddies? Oh yeah, that's so good. Yeah, that's good, isn't it? You still got that cauliflower in there, don't you? Oh, there's some more broccolis. Mommy, I'd like mushrooms. Yep, I see them. Pre-licked. Pre-licked mushrooms. Those are not quite the most desirable.
Well, because there was HP on them.
Oh, Mommy. Please. Yeah, I know, pre-licked. They don't taste as good, do they?
HP, please.
This is what Mommy likes all over her food. Yeah. And what else? More Waddies? You're very good at drinking Waddies, sweetheart. Yeah. Yeah. I know. Say hi, Baba. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Baba. Hi, Grandma. I know. Show your teeth. Show your teeth to Baba and Grandma. Yay. Yay, Baba. Yay, Grandma. Yeah. Yeah. I know. Yeah. Where's those TVs? Hi. I hope we got them. Did we get them? Okay.